Next, after you have all of your data completed, we need to calculate the rate that the disks were floating. To do this, we're going to take the number of disks that were floating for each time and divide it by the number of seconds. So that means we need to know how many seconds were in 1 minute. We know that there's 60. How many seconds are in 2 minutes? 120, 180, 240, 300, 360, 420, 480, 540, 600, 660, 720, 800, 800 and, oh wait, it should be 780, which would make this 840, and 900. So now that I know how many seconds, I can now accurately calculate the rate. So I'm going to take the number of disks that were floating divided by the number of seconds. So 0 divided by 60, I'm not even going to plug that in the calculator because that is going to be a rate of 0. Same for all these, that's 0. Now you might have had some things floating earlier than mine. I just completely made up these numbers, by the way. So 2 divided by 540. 2 divided by 540. It's going to give us a really small number, 0.0037. 0.0037. What this is saying is that it takes, is that there is 0.0037 leaf cutouts floating in 540 seconds. It takes them that long to float. The higher this number is, the faster the rate. 3 divided by 600. Let's do that one. Clear. 3 divided by 600. 0.005. 0.005. This number is greater than that one, meaning that the rate is now starting to speed up. 5 divided by 660. Let's see here. Clear. 5 divided by 660. 0.0075. 0.0075. So that is how we're getting these numbers. As you can see, they are all decimals. Higher numbers, or numbers that are larger, means that the leaves are floating more quickly. So I know it's a kind of a weird number to think about, but think about like this. 37, 50, 75. Obviously, 75 is greater than 50. 50 is greater than 37. So we can definitely see that there is a speed increase. Once you have these numbers calculated, as well as the ones for these ones, and I'll be sharing this data with you, you are then ready to proceed to the graph, which will be explained on the next slide.